Hello, my name is John Giannattasio. I'm shooting this video with some tips and tricks on how you guys can help your online presence and bring some more consistent traffic throughout the year. So without further ado, I'll get right into it. So there's three things that are important for online presence. First, it's content, backlinks, and citations. So I'll explain those as I go along. But content is anything on your website, word related, pictures, what they're saved as, all this. So this is content. Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a home page and 500 plus on a back page. So you guys are definitely short of that. The reason for this is so you can fit keywords, which are search phrases that people search in Google, such as Sacramento landscape design, your service area landscape design. So a keyword like that. So you can fit those in the content without looking spammy. If you can't have too many in there, because Google will also flag you, you have to have the right amount. But you want to have more than your competition has. So if they have 1,000, you want to have 2,000. You always want to beat the competition. Content is king for a website. Secondly is backlinks. Backlinks are your mention of your website inside of another website. So I always like to use Wikipedia as an example. You know how they always have so much content and they have all those blue highlighted letters? Those are backlinks. They're pointing towards Wikipedia, saying this is a trusted site. So Google sees that and it puts it high up on Google. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to have them inside relevant niches, such as other landscape design companies, other landscape companies, anything garden, construction related. Pizza Hut will not help you because Google goes through and reads it. Anything related to construction or landscape design, and it sees Pizza Hut or any other food industry or something, and it doesn't put them together because it reads through content, and Google understands good content. So it's important to have good related content so Google can read it and match it with the search that people are searching on Google. So it's always, you need to have proper good backlinks. Thirdly is citations. Citations is a mention of your name, address, and phone number listed throughout directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, House, places like that. That will get you here in this map pack, and that's where 80% of people click. Map pack, and down here, this is organic section. This is where you want to be. All here. So where everyone clicks. If you're not there, you're essentially non-existent on Google. The map pack, so you want to have as many citations as other companies have. So you go in, you find the citations they're in, and then you do everything they're doing, plus more. That's how you rank up on Google, and also having lots of reviews. As you can see here, Black Diamond, most people are going to be clicking this guy because he looks the most popular. He's got the most reviews. He's been in business a long time. He's got a nice looking website. People are going to click on him. I have this tool called HRS. It goes through and it buys data from Google, and it tells you everything that's going on inside your website. So your competitor is definitely Capital Landscape and Sacramento, their 5-star landscape. These two, they're bringing in 867 people a month, and landscape, 5-star landscape, they are bringing in let me see, they're bringing in 1,500 words. So it is important to have those content keywords and backlinks so you can be bringing in this traffic. They're also doing ads here, as you can see. Right here, they're both paying ads, which is going to bring in more traffic too, on top of organic. So these guys are bringing in consistent traffic throughout the year. You are bringing in 4. So you have 45 keywords, 40 domains, and 488 backlinks. This is what these guys have. So considerably more. And then if you put these tactics into play on your website, you will be able to bring in everything they're bringing in. So these numbers are very basic. Google, this tool is not 100% accurate. So you could be bringing it. This could be bringing in 10 times more than this. So this is the very base. So I'm sure if you had consistent traffic like this, it would definitely help your company out. Also, a funny thing is both these landscape design companies have the same web designer. Down here, Front Fleet Marketing, they're both run by the same person. So that's bad on their part because they're competing and they don't even realize it. But you could climb up and sneak in and take their position if you implant those tips and tricks that I just told you. You can reach back out to me if you like this, or you guys can do your own marketing team and do this. It's up to you. I'll leave my contact info. Hope you like this. All I ask in return is some feedback. God bless. Have a great day.